Welcome to Viveka Learning Extra.
Hey dear everyone! Welcome to Viveka Learning Extra. How are you all doing? We hope that you all are safe. We have come up with an interesting video. We hope that you all will like it. Those who are in schools, we are sure you all are very well acquainted with the game at class, during the free periods or tiffin breaks, or while returning home in pull cars or school buses. You all sometime must have played this game. Now that we're all quarantined, no school and no musty with our friends, you all must be really sad. Don't worry my friends, all this will soon pass and we will meet our friends and have all those fun. Till then, we can utilize this time to gain some knowledge about the world around us. This video is about the countries, capitals and flags found in Asia. This will surely help you next time to win the Battle of Atlas. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin.
Abkhazia is a de facto sovereign state that is recognized by most countries as an autonomous Republic of Georgia. It lies in the South Caucasus on the eastern coast of the Black Sea, south of the Greater Caucasus Mountains in northwestern Georgia. The capital of Abkhazia is Sukhumi, and the currency of Abkhazia is Russian ruble. Afghanistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, is a landlocked country situated at the confluence of Western, Central, and Southern Asia. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul, and the currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. The sovereign base areas of Akrotiri and Dhekelia is a British overseas territory on the island of Cyprus. The capital of Akrotiri and Dhekelia is Episkopi Cantonment, and the currency of Akrotiri and Dhekelia is Euro. Armenia is a nation, and former Soviet republic, in the mountainous Caucasus region between Asia and Europe. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan, and the currency of Armenia is dram. Azerbaijan, the nation and former Soviet republic, is bounded by the Caspian Sea and Caucasus Mountains, which span Asia and Europe. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku, and the currency of Azerbaijan is manat. Bahrain, officially the Kingdom of Bahrain, is a sovereign state in the Persian Gulf. The island nation comprises a small archipelago made up of 33 natural islands and an additional 51 artificial islands. The capital of Bahrain is Manama, and the currency of Bahrain is Bahraini dinar. Bangladesh, to the east of India on the Bay of Bengal, is a South Asian country marked by lush greenery and many waterways. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, and the currency of Bangladesh is taka. Bhutan, a Buddhist kingdom on the Himalayas' eastern edge, is known for its monasteries, fortresses, ordzongs, and dramatic landscapes that range from subtropical plains to steep mountains and valleys. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, and the currency of Bhutan is Nguldram. The British Indian Ocean Territory is a British overseas territory of the United Kingdom situated in the Indian Ocean halfway between Tanzania and Indonesia. The capital of British Indian Ocean Territory is Diego Garcia Kingdom, and the currency of British Indian Ocean Territory is pound sterling.
Brunei is a tiny nation on the island of Borneo, in two distinct sections surrounded by Malaysia and the South China Sea. It's known for its beaches and biodiverse rainforest, much of it protected within reserves. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan, and the currency of Brunei is Brunei dollar. It is also known as ringgit.
We hope this video was helpful. We will soon come up with more such videos. Till then, be safe, stay at home and happy learning!